Hey, come on, kid. Come on.
Rainforest Cafe. That's Downtown Disney.
Doesn't really bother them because they don't have saliva in their mouth. So their mouth is pretty dry. They only have a couple hundred taste buds compared to the thousands that we have, so they don't get that same hot, spicy reaction when they eat things like that. Do you want to circle? Can you circle? Can you circle? Good girl. That's a good job. Can you show everyone how you like to recycle? Good job, Elmo. That's a good girl. We're big fans of recycling. About 50% of all the animals in the entire world are all found out in the rainforest. So anything we can do to help protect the wildlife out there, just by recycling our leftover bottles, cans, paper,